Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. This is social science question paper, class 10th. Question number 1 is dash was the treaty recognize Greece as an independent nation? Second question, in 1848 dash prepared a series of 4 points visualizing his dream of a world made up of democratic and social republics. Name the artist. एंड 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं जो कि मैं नहीं पढ़ने वाली ऑफ कोर्स. Question number 3 is assertion reason. Processes of soil formation and erosion goes simultaneously and creates a balance between two. The denudation of soil cover and subsequent washing down is soil erosion. बताना है कि दोनों सही है या फिर दोनों गलत है या फिर ये जो है रीज़न वो करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है या नहीं असर्शन का, या फिर एक सही है एक गलत है या फिर दोनों ही गलत है. Differentiate between horizontal or vertical division of parts in any 2 points. Money cannot buy all the goods and services that one needs to live well. Do you agree with this statement? Justify your answer with any 2 suitable arguments. What may be the development for one may be the development, may be the फिर से पढ़ती हूँ. What may be the development for one may be the destruction for the other. Explain the statement with appropriate examples. Analyze the major practices introduced by French revolutionaries to create sense of collective identity amongst French people. Suggest any 3 measures to control land degradation. तो सारा ही पढ़ा हुआ लग रहा है मेरे को अपना. Though level of income is important, it is not an inadequate measure of development. Justify criteria used by UNDP for measuring development different from the one used by the World Bank. आगे देखते हैं. Analyze the step involved in resource planning. Describe 2 characteristic features of black soil. Explain contribution of Otto von Bismarck in German unification. Read the source below and answer questions that follow. So state the majoritarian policy adopted by Sri Lanka in 1956, and then mention the reason that Sri Lankan Tamils feel alienated by the government. Consequences of Sri Lankan government's refusal to share power. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पेपर होता है समाप्त. आई होप प्रश्न बहुत बहुत ही सही तरीके से दिख रहे होंगे. ओके, सो इट वॉज पीरियोडिक टेस्ट 1 सोशल साइंस. आई होप इट वुड बी हेल्पफुल. थैंक यू सो मच अपना कीमती टाइम निकाल कर कीमती वीडियो देखने के लिए, एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग जिज्ञासा जग्गू फॉर मोर वीडियोज़.